Hi, I'm Alec with FlashCut CNC. In this video, we'll be talking about the tabletop lathe retrofit kit for the Sherline 4400 lathe. Since 1996, FlashCut has provided tens of thousands of customers with affordable yet powerful turnkey CNC solutions. FlashCut is the only CNC solution that offers a dedicated controller with a high-speed USB connection that ensures smooth, uninterrupted motion in a multitasking Windows environment for any desktop or laptop PC. At the heart of the system is the FlashCut CNC Compact Series controller. It is made with an integrated USB signal generator and contains two 2.5 amp micro-stepping drives. The controller contains 8 outputs and 8 inputs for accessories, and can be upgraded to a Pro Series servo or a Pro Series stepper system. The controller is hooked up to your laptop or PC with this USB cable, and also comes with a 30-volt power supply. The system also comes with these two high-torque precision MP2101 dual-shafted motors, which are connected to the lathe with these two 10-foot motor cables. In this video, we will install the two motors and then hook up the entire system to your CNC controller. Then, using the software, we'll show you how to jog and use the G-code with the motors. To see other accessories, feel free to look on our website for the encoder kit assembly and instruction guide, as well as other videos such as using the control pendant, the relay box, and a limit switch kit. The first step for this retrofit kit will be to add hand wheels to the MP2301 motors. You'll need a 3/32 inch Allen wrench to do this. As you can see, the MP2301s have two shafts. On one side is the FlashCut CNC sticker where the hand wheel will go. The other side will be mounted directly to the lathe. If you notice on the shafts, you can see a flat section. This is where the set screws will be put in for both the hand wheel and on the machine itself. Take the hand wheel and find where the set screw is, and line that up with the flat portion of the motor. This is very important, otherwise the hand wheel will not be able to grip and will not come off easily later. So now that the flat side is flush with the set screw, take your hex wrench and tighten that. And as you can see now, you can spin this and the shaft will come with it. And we'll do this exact same process to the second motor. Now that we have the hand wheels installed, we'll mount the motors to the lathe. You'll need a 3/32 and 9/64 inch hex wrenches. First, we'll do the X-axis motor. As you can see, the spindle has a flat side like on the other side where we did the hand wheel. You're going to want to make sure that that is lined up with the set screw on the actual lathe. So if you look at the side here, there's the motor mounting bracket. You're going to find a hole in it, and that is where you're going to be able to tighten the set screw. So when you mount the motor, be sure that the flat side of the spindle is lined up with the set screw and with the hole. And if the set screw is not already lined up with the hole, you can go ahead and manually twist it until they're aligned. Now, with the cable facing the bottom part of the motor and the spindle lined up, you can go ahead and place that into the mounting bracket. And using the 9/64 inch hex wrench, you can go ahead and tighten this into place. Now that the motor is mounted, we'll take the 3/32 inch hex wrench and we'll tighten the set screw around the spindle of the motor. If this is done correctly, you can now turn the hand wheel and be able to move the table of the lathe. We'll repeat the same process now with the Z-axis, making sure that the spindle, the flat side is lined up with the set screw, and that the cable of the motor is facing down. Now, we'll hook up the lathe to the CNC control box. We will now plug axis 1 into the X motor and axis 2 into the Z motor. Now that we have the motors hooked up to the Compact Series controller, we're going to turn it on. And in FlashCut 4, we're going to go to Controller, Connect, agree to the safety instructions. And now we're going to go over to Jog. We'll move the motor speed to fast. And to verify that the two motors are working, we'll jog the X-axis, both directions. You can see that it's moving. And axis 2 is currently hooked up to Y. So we'll try Y positive and Y negative. This concludes our video on the tabletop lathe retrofit kit. While we're using this for a Sherline 4400 lathe, you can use it for any Sherline tabletop lathe. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to call or email us at the number or email address below. From all of us here at Flashcode CNC, thank you for watching.